here's how to add and use NVIDIA Game Filters. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the latest version of the NVIDIA application installed. If you don't have it installed yet, simply open an internet browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. From the search results, click on the official NVIDIA website and download the NVIDIA application. Once the installation is complete, open the NVIDIA App. Now, from the left-hand navigation menu, click on Settings. Make sure the NVIDIA Overlay option is turned on and enabled. Also, check that Game Filters and Photo Mode is turned on and enabled. Once those options are enabled, press Alt and Z on your keyboard to open the NVIDIA Overlay. From here, you should see an option called Game Filter. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be able to view the different filters that are available. You can also use the Alt and F3 keyboard shortcut to open the game filter window directly. So, launch your game, and once you're inside, press Alt and F3. This should open the game filter window, allowing you to switch between the available filters. Now, if the shortcut doesn't work or you don't see any filters listed, there's another thing you can try. First, minimize the windows you currently have open and return to your computer's desktop. Once you're on the desktop, press Alt and F3 on your keyboard. You should now see the game filter window appear, and from here, you should be able to select from all of the available filters. After choosing and applying the filters you want, simply return to your game. The filters should now be available and working correctly. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.